I'm sure you've heard the news. There's a new player in town shaking up the crypto world. Gradient Network. Gradient Network is here to make computing inclusive, accessible, and affordable for everyone. Imagine a world where edge computing isn't just a dream, but a reality. With Gradient Network, it is. And guess what? It's completely passive. All you need to do is download a simple Chrome extension, and you're good to go. Yes, it's that easy. Whether you're on your PC or your phone, setting up your Gradient Sentry node is a breeze. Just a few clicks, and you're part of the future of edge computing on Solana. Join the revolution today, and let's lead the way in transforming the crypto world together. Join me on @GradientHQ, the open layer for edge compute on Solana. Don't miss out.